Hi children, welcome back. In this grammar series, in previous sessions, we have completed ach sandhis and hal sandhis. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about visarga sandhis. In these visarga sandhis, today we are going to discuss about Vutvam and Lopaha. Come, we will start. What is visarga? First we will try to understand what is visarga. Visarga means two dots, right? If one dot is there like that is that dot. This dot is called anuswara. These two dots are called visarga, right? Definition. In the process of sandhi, any change that occurs in the place of visarga is called visarga sandhi. Right? Very simple. If we are replacing with any letter that visarga, that is called visarga sandhi. While doing sandhi, if any change occurs in the place of visarga, that is called visarga sandhi. Understood? If we see that ka to ha letters, these all are called consonants. These consonants divided into two parts. Okay. First one is called hard consonants. Second part is called soft consonants. Okay. Here each varga's first letter and second letter are called hard consonants. These will come under hard consonants. That means kavarga's first two letters means kakha, chavarga's first two letters chacha, tavarga's first two letters tatha, tavarga's first two letters tatha, pavarga's first two letters papha. These 10 letters and sa, sha, sa, these 3 letters. So total 10 plus 3, 13 letters. Total 13 letters are called hard consonants. Right? Next, if we consider 1 and 2 of each varga, 1 and 2 letters as a hard consonants, rest of the letters, 3rd, 4th and 5th letters of each varga. That means kavarga ga, gha, nga, chavarga ja, jha, nya, tavarga dadhana, tavarga dadhana, pavarga babhama. These all the 5 vargas, each varga 3 letters, that means 15 letters and ya, ra, la, va, ha. These 5 total 20 letters. 15 letters and 5 letters, total 20 letters are called soft consonants. Okay. While learning Anunasika Sandhi, already you know that each varga's fifth letter is called Anunasika Varnaha, nasal letters. That means Kavarga's fifth letter Nga, Chavarga's fifth letter Nya, Tavarga's fifth letter Na, Tavarga's fifth letter Na, Pavarga's fifth letter Ma. These Nga, Nya, Na, Na, Ma, these 5 letters are also called as nasals also. These are also called soft consonants and at the same time nasals. Understood? In Visarga Sandhis, first one is Visargasya Uttvam. Means in the place of Visarga, if Vu we will get, then that is called Visargasya Uttvam. Okay. Then what is the rule to get the Vu in the place of Visarga? Here the first word, if it ends with aha, here a plus Visarga means if the first word ends with aha, like Ramaha, like Vrikshaha, Khagaha, Simhaha. All the Akarant pulling words will come, Ekvachan word will come under Akarant pulling, Ekvachan will come under that aha ended with Visarga. Right? Then second word if it starts with a or Vargiya, Tritiya, Chaturtha, Panchama Varnaha. Vargiya means each vargas related to Varga, Vargiya. Tritiya, third letter. Chaturtha, fourth letter. Panchama, fifth letter. Okay. Here third letter, fourth letter and fifth letter Yara Lavaha. That means all together here whichever given the letters, these are related to soft consonants. You can remember like that, or else you can remember vargas, each vargas third, fourth, fifth letters and yaralavaha. Understood? Soft consonants. If those are there, that means what is the rule for Visargasya Utvam? The first word should be ended with aha. That means like akaranta pullinga shabdas, ekavachan shabdrup, how it will be like that, aha. And second word if it starts with a or soft consonant, any soft consonant. Okay. Then in the place of Visarga, who will come. Okay. We will see the example. Ramaha, word ended with aha, plus second word if it starts with asti. Then here the word ended with aha and here Visarga a is there. Visarga, before Visarga a is there, second word also started with a, as we explained here. Then in the place of Visarga, according to this rule, what will come? Vu. In the place of Visarga, vu. Here Rama plus vu, what will happen? Ramo, like Guna Sandhi. Understood? Ramo plus asti is there, na? Ramo plus asti. Till here you got. Like maths it is looking like, na? Okay. Ramo plus asti. Here Ramo is there. Before the word O is there. If the word ends with A or O, then second word if it starts with A, then what will come? Purva Rupa. S symbol will come in the asti. Now here what is the final formation? Ramosti. Understood? Here in the place of Visarga we got. But finally what formation we are getting? By adding A plus O, O only we are getting. Because Visarga Purvam, before Visarga A is there, we are changing the Visarga into O. Then A plus O, Guna Sandhi, O we are getting. Right? So that's why here final form is O only, but Sandhi name is Visargasya Vutvam. In the place of Visarga, O we are getting. Okay? See here examples. First one, Balaha Asti. First one is Balaha Asti. The word ended with Visarga. Visarga Purvam A is there. Here Aha is there. Okay. Then if aha is there, second word if it starts with a, then that a Visarga will change it into vu. Again a plus vu, wo we got. And if the word ends with a or o, second word if it starts with a, then that will change it into avagra. Here balo asti. Simhaha atra. Next one is same similarly. Simhaha atra. The word ended with aha. The word ended with aha. And second word started with a. So here Visarga changed it into vu. Then a plus vu, wo we got here. Right? This avagra, because here ended with wo, this avagra, in the place of a, we got avagra. Right? Next, this is the rule for Visarga ended with aha and next word if it starts with a. These two. Okay, these two. Next, here first word ended with aha. Simhaha. The word ended with aha. Here you can see Simhaha, Mayuraha, Gajaha. Everywhere the word ended with aha. Second word here started with ga. Garjati in that first letter ga. In the consonants, this ga place is third letter of the kavarga, ka, kha, ga. So here the word ended with aha, second word started with the third letter of the consonant, that means soft consonant. Then in the place of Visarga we will get vu. Then simha, u, simho. Okay, here you can see simho. Next garjati remaining same only. If it is there a, then only we will make it into avagraha. If it is not there, if any soft consonant, that means vargas third, fourth, fifth letter or yara, lavaha are there, then these letters, these consonants will be remaining same only. That Visarga place it will get u and by together both o we will get at the final. Understand? Next one, Mayuraha Nrityati. Ended with aha. Nrityati, the word started with na. Next word started with na. Nrityati, in this what is the first letter? Na. So Mayuraha Nrityati, in this we got na. So this na is Tavarga's fifth letter, right? Tavarga's fifth letter. So here Visarga, before Visarga A is there. Here Tavarga's fifth letter is there. That means soft consonant is there. So then in the place of Visarga we got Vu, Mayura plus Vu, Mayuro. Nrutyati remaining same only. Right? Next Gajaha ended with Aha. Dhavati. Again this letter is Tavarga's Ta, Tha, Da, Dha. Fourth letter. Dha is. That means third, fourth, fifth and Aralavaha are soft consonants. Na? Here soft consonant is there. Then Gajaha, in that Visarga will change it into Vu. Dhavati, fourth consonant is there. Soft consonant of Tavarga. Then here A plus Vu, Gajo, it became Gajo Dhavati. Understood? Next Sandhi, Visargasya Lopaha. Next one is Visargasya Lopaha. Lopaha means drop, disappearing. Disappearing is called Lopaha. Disappearing is called Lopaha. So that means we have to drop the Visarga. In this Sandhi, what we have to do? In this previous Sandhi, we changed the Visarga into Vu. That is called Visargasya Vutvam. Now here we are dropping the Visarga. We are that Visarga will disappear in the Sandhi. That is called Visargasya Lopaha. Okay. Then what is the rule for this? Again here you can see that the previous word should be ended with aha only. That means Akaranta Pullinga Sabda, Ekvachan, all words will come. Ramaha, Vrikshaha, as earlier we discussed like that. All words will come under this aha. The first word should be ended with aha. Second word, A Bhinnaswar. Before that, if A is there, we changed it into second word, first word. If A is there in the previous Uttva Sandhi, we made it into that Avagra. Now here, except A, any other Swara. That means A, I, U, U, any letter. Not the A, right? Then we have to drop the Visarga. Here you can see that first one, Ramaha Yeti, the word ended with Aha. Second word is not A. Ye, it is another Swara. Okay. Then Visarga, Ramaha is there. Na? In that Aha, in that only Visarga we have to drop. Rama Yeti. Very simple. Na? Next, Balakaha Ichhati. Here the word ended with Aha. Second word started with except A, other Swar. Then Balakaha, we have to drop the Visarga and Balaka Ichhati. Understood? Vrikshaha Aste. Vrikshaha word ended with Aha and Aste. A is there. So except A, any other Swara it can be. To drop the Visarga. Then we have to drop the Visarga. That means we will remove the Visarga. That's it. In Sandhi, we are removing Visarga. Vriksha Aste. Next, Balaha Upavishati. Here Balaha ended with Aha only. Upavishati, except A, other Swara is there. Then dropping of Visarga, Bala Upavishati. The Sandhi is Bala Upavishati. This is called Visargasya Lopaha. In dropping Visarga, that means Visargasya Lopa Sandhi. In this, another rule also is there. The second rule is, here the word, the first word, if it ends with aha, the first word if it ends with aha, okay. Second word if it starts with any swara or any soft consonant. Here, if we go a step back, Visargasya Lopaha, what is the first rule? If the word ends with aha, if the word ends with aha and except A, any other swara is there, except A, that means from A to Au, any letter it can be, then we have to drop the Visarga. That is the previous rule. Now here, in the previous rule, the first word should be ended with aha, second word any swar except A. Now here, the first word should be ended with aha. That means here, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdarup Bahuvachan form, how it will come? Ramaha and Vrikshaha. Right? If you take striling, Balikaha. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan Rupam Balikaha. Mahilaha. Like that, Akarant striling Bahuvachan and Akarant pulling Bahuvachan form, how it will be with Aha, how it will be ended with Aha, those all words will be considered in this. Aha, the first word should be ended with Aha. Understood? Like Ramaha, Vrikshaha, Mahilaha, Balikaha. Every word ended with Ah only, right? Like this, if the first word is there, like that. And second word, any swara if it is there. Any swara means out of all the swaras we can consider. Okay. And along with swaras, Varga third, fourth, fifth letters Yara Lavaha. Means these all are soft consonants, right? Any soft consonant is there. Understood? Any soft consonant or any swara is there as a second word's first letter. First word should be ended with Aha. Visargat Purvam, before Visarga, A should be there. Then we have to drop the Visarga. This is the second rule for Visargasya Lopaha. Understood? See the examples. The first one, Lataha, ended with Aha. Atra, here A is there, Swar is there. Then by adding these two, this Visarga, we should drop and answer Lata Atra by adding. Okay. Next one, Janaha Dhavanti. Janaha, the word ended with Aha, right? And second word, Dhavanti, started with Dha. This Dha is Tavarga's fourth letter, right? That means it's a soft consonant. Then we have to drop the Visarga, Jana Dhavanti. What is by adding, what did you get? Jana Dhavanti. Next one, Taha Bhakshyante. Taha ended with Aha. Bhakshyante, this Bha, Pavarga's fourth letter. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, right? Then here consonant, soft consonant is there. The first word ended with Aha. Then we have to drop the Visarga, Ta Bhakshyante. Clear? Next example, Vriddhaha Hasanti. Vriddhaha ended with Aha. Hasanti. Here, Yara Lavaha. In the soft consonant, Ha also is there. So, we have to drop the Visarga. Vriddha Hasanti. Okay. Next, Balaha Namanti. Here, Balaha, the first word's last letter, Aha. And second word's first letter, Na. This is Tavarga's fifth letter. In soft consonants, Varga's fifth letter also considered. So, we have to drop the Visarga. Then Bala Namanti. By adding Balaha plus Namanti, we are getting Bala Namanti. Simply we are dropping the Visarga. Understood? Thank you.